Sunset Harbor Marine, all types of boat repairs, 15 years experience, factory certified. 1700 Sunset Harbor Road, Supply, North Carolina. 284-62, 910-477-2862. Contact Leon Messer. Gated storage. We can make this work for you. Let Sunset Harbor Marine take care of all your boating and repair needs and storage. Oh. Nice. Got plenty going on, don't you, Leon?
Yeah. All out.
Cut that out of this boat here?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, that was right in the front.
Yeah.
So it kind of limited your space.
Right.
This was like for storage.
Right.
So you cut this out of that big boat right there.
Yeah.
And how'd you fix it? Fix it back.
Put it back in there and refiberglass it all.
I got to see.
Climb up in there. Jump it. Can you get up in there?
Yeah, I can. Let's see what we did. Oh man, what a difference. Wow.
Can't even tell, can you?
No, you would never know that was here.
Right here. Come right here. It come around right here. And
Started
it was
right
over here. Yeah. And we redone all the walls. And yeah. Had to put ribs in it.
Would they break?
All that.
What was
No, there
going
wasn't none in there. Because it was cabin.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I put this hatch in here. Put this refiberglass that hatch in.
Nice. So that's the kind of work you do out here at Sunset Harbor Marine.
Turn, twist.
Oh yeah, anchor spot. Nice. Brand new set. What's he putting on it?
We're taking them 250s off and putting a pair of 300 Verados on it.
Ooh, man.
So we have new and used motors.
Nice. So them motors right there gonna be for sale?
Yeah.
What are they?
They're 250 EFI Mercuries.
EFI Mercury 250.
Both motors, controls, everything that goes with them to rig them be 10,000.
Nice. So you don't just repair, you actually sell some stuff.
Oh yeah, sell a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Used parts.
Nice.